Exonuclease T is a crucial enzyme encoded by the RNT gene in Escherichia coli, playing a vital role in maintaining the integrity of genetic material through precise trimming of single-stranded DNA. Its specificity for single-stranded DNA and directional activity from 3' to 5 make it a valuable tool in molecular biology, facilitating DNA repair and recombination processes. Operating optimally at 37 degrees Celsius and dependent on divalent metal ions like Mg2+, exonuclease T is essential for accurate DNA sequencing and manipulation, contributing significantly to various DNA-related applications. With its unique properties, exonuclease T has had a revolutionary impact on genetic research, enabling scientists to delve deep into the complexities of the genetic code and uncover its mysteries.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, for superior biology services since 2000.